Cancun, Padre, I'm on my way. Turquoise water and white sand shows my footprints wash away, so I go and make some more. Casa del Mar's a house by the sea. The simple life is all I need. I'm just a beach bum, a sandy feral cat, dark sunglasses and a palm-from hat. My hammock swings between coconut trees, Corona in my hand with a big light squeeze.